Number 10, a woman who doesn't contribute anything to the financial stand of the family. You don't advise, you don't like to work, you don't work, even when you try you fail, you don't even try. All you do is to make demands and receive money. You want to show. You don't do anything. You want to live a lavish life that you don't even know how to work for. All you do is stress and stress and stress the guy with more and more demands because you want to compete with your sister, with your neighbor, with your friends. But you can't add anything financial to your home. It is very dangerous. It's a brave mistake that some women do, and it ends up ruining their marriages. Number 11, failing to commit your marriage and family into the hands of the Lord. Very big mistake. Lady, no matter how mighty you think you are, you can't handle things. You have to commit everything into the hands of the Lord Almighty. He only knows how he's going to see you through, how he's going to hold your marriage like this up for you. Commit your family, commit your husband, commit your children, commit your marriage into the hands of the Lord, lady. If you don't, it is a very big mistake, and it can end up costing you your marriage. Number 12, fighting your mother-in-law carelessly. Look, you can fight your mother-in-law and think that you have won the battle, especially if she's innocent. Trust me, you will end up losing, whether you like it or not. It's not even only your mother-in-law, but a mother-in-law figure. Maybe your mother-in-law is no more, she's deceased, she's late. There is that other figure in your husband's life, the person he treasures, the person he respects, who in his mind is like a mother figure to him. Always be careful fighting that person. Always be careful disrespecting that person. Always make sure you're in the good books of that person. Because if you're not, trust me, you will end up losing the battle. You know what? Your husband, who is her son, and that person, that lady, have been friends for years. They have been together. Who are you to even think that you can dissolve that relationship? This person has gone through it all. She has been in conflict and out of conflict with this woman. This woman is like his first wife and his first girlfriend, because she has gone through it all with him. In fact, she is the veteran of many conflicts. Yes, I know that there comes a moment in a man's life when the wife is number one. The wife is number one priority. But woman, do not abuse that title. Do not abuse that relationship. It is a very dangerous button to press. Seek God's guidance always and apply wisdom to it. You can never separate mother and son. You can't. Maybe she is wicked. Maybe she's a witch like you say. Respect her. Seek advice from a qualified marriage counselor. You can go to noraarake.com/booking and I will help you. Seek advice. Talk to someone. Do not overstep, no matter how high you think you are, because in that moment, the guy loves you. Do not overstep. Number 13, telling your friends about your sex life. Very dangerous. Whether good or bad, do not tell. If it's good, your friends will start to fantasize about your husband. They will start to want to sleep with your husband. They will start to want to lure your husband. They will start to seduce your husband. And if it's bad, your same friends will start to advise you how to enhance it, how to get other men to help you, to satisfy you, to do ABCDE. Do not discuss your sex life with your friends. Number 14, reporting your husband to his mom. It looks beautiful and wise to report your husband to his mom, but the end result may end up hurting you. Most mothers will end up supporting their children, whether she has shown it to you or not. Her son is always right before her eyes. Even if her son is not right, she will find a right in that wrong that the son did. Don't do it. And even if you are to do it, always follow the right channels. That's why I always say, seek an expert's help. Don't just do it. You will end up regretting it. Seek counsel. That's why we counselors are there to help you. You can just leave a comment in the comment section of your email and we shall get back to you and schedule a counseling session for you. Or you go to noraarake.com/booking and book your counseling session.